Hi everyone, my name is Marce. I am a junior at the University of South Florida and I am a Victoria's Secret Pink campus rep. If you saw my last video, you would know that I am a Pink campus rep and I got invited to their brand training, which happened virtually this year again, thanks to the pandemic. And we got sent a huge box full of goodies with bags for each day to open before the events started. And I will be unboxing all of them with you guys. So during brand training, we had 3 different themes for each day. So day 1 was the get ready to rep day. Everything was about how to be the best campus rep you could be. Day 2 was everything about social media. So it was called the selfie love day. So we heard from 𝙗𝙪𝙨𝙨𝙾, and Bailey, which was amazing because I absolutely love them. I literally grew up watching their channel, and we got a lot of tips and tricks from the Pink marketing team. And then third day was everything about self-love. We had a little dance training session and it was so much fun. So for each day, Pink put together a little bag of goodies. They sent us the most amazing stuff and I'm gonna show you guys what I got. So I don't know if you can tell, but right next to me I have this huge box full of stuff. There are 3 bags. So we're gonna start with day 1. This was one of my favorites. I definitely think that day 2 was my all-time fave, but this was absolutely amazing. So the little card says, day 1, get ready to rep. It's finally here. We're so excited to get you ready to rep it this year with the 2nd annual Pink Campus Rep Kickoff. 3 days of rep inspiration, learning, and connection. Hope you love everything in your first bag. We know we do love Pink. So everything came in this reusable bags, and this one says, you are too cool. So the first thing in this bag was probably my all-time favorite item of the whole like training package. It is the Pink collegiate backpack, and it actually has our name in it. So mine says Marcela and it says Pink over here, and this backpack has so much space. I would definitely be using this for college this year. It has a great compartment for your computer, and it even has a water bottle holder. So I definitely will be using this. I am so excited. So thank you so much, Pink. The next thing was a matching sweat set. So I got this kind of like brown beige tie-dye crew neck. So comfy, so cute, and it has Pink's logo on the sleeve. Just a cute little P. And again, this is so comfy. I'm gonna show you guys in a second what it looks like on. And the matching joggers. So these are the campus joggers, and these are in a light like cream color. I believe this is called the Vanilla Bean Wash, and they are super comfy. They also have the little P for Pink, and they have pockets, and these are amazing. I definitely recommend these joggers.
I don't need to think about it. There's nothing in this world that we can't do. Flowers even mad about it, 'cause they can't bloom like it.
We also got a pack of Smart Sweets. So these are the sour melon bites. These are amazing. These are probably my favorite gummies from Smart Sweet. And then last but not least, on day 1 we got a puffy soda, and this is because we actually had a mocktail making session with the founder of Poppy, which was amazing. She has such an inspiring story. She's literally the definition of a girl boss. She is amazing, so definitely try Poppy out and support her because she is an angel. They sent us the strawberry lemonade Poppy prebiotic soda. I have not tried this out, but I've heard amazing things about it. All of the reps that already had it loved it, and honestly I was just waiting to make this video so I could try it out. But I want to show you guys what it looked like, and I will be trying it out soon, and I'll let you know guys how it goes. So now we're gonna move on to day 2. Again, no peeking until July 20th. And then the little selfie love message. So this one says, get ready to get digital. Today is all about social media and how to own it. We packed up a few treats for you to help you on your social media takeover. Love, Pink. And this was my favorite day when it came to speakers because, as I said before, we had 𝙗𝙪𝙨𝙨𝙾 and Bailey, and I absolutely adore them. I grew up watching them. They are so amazing. So getting to hear from them and, you know, getting tips from them on how to grow social media was out of this world. And they actually answered one of my questions, which I was so happy about. So yeah, so this bag says love your selfie. I don't think you can see it properly, but that's what it says. And the first thing that I pulled out of this bag was a pair. So the first thing out of this bag is a pair of biker shorts. These are the ultimate biker shorts. They have mesh on the side and it has pockets on both sides, which is amazing. I love biker shorts and leggings with pockets. They are so comfortable and they just come in so handy because you don't have to carry around a purse or anything. So I usually just put my phone in here and go around my day or go about my day. So love these, super comfy.
I don't see a way around it, 'cause everything has led me straight to you.
We also got a varsity crew neck and varsity short set. So this right here are the shorts. They are in this gorgeous blue color and they have Pink's new logo at the bottom. It says pink and white. And then the varsity crew neck is just this matching blue sweatshirt, and it says pink on the sleeve, and it's like an ombre, so it goes from white to pink, and it is so comfy. The set looks so pretty together.
It's nothing new, baby, I'm outside, been thinking about you all night.
For this day, we also got a Starbucks gift card. It was a $10 card. I just don't have it with me anymore because I already used it, but thank you so much, Pink, for that. We also got a phone stand and they sent the rose gold one to all of us reps, and it is so pretty. So this is what the phone stand looks like. I usually just pop it on my nightstand and put my phone on there, especially at night. So this is what it looks like. Comes in super handy, especially when I'm like FaceTiming my parents or anything. I just put it on here. I can even put it on the bed and my phone won't fall, so that's amazing. And then the last and best thing that we got this day was a ring light, and it is a heart-shaped ring light. It has a little tripod. It actually has 3 color settings, so there's cool white, natural white, and warm white. So there is white lighting, yellow lighting, and then a mixture of the two. Amazing. And you can actually dim it, and it is so cute. Like, it's a heart. Just how cute is this? So it comes with the little tripod, phone holder, and this is what the ring light looks like. It is a very small ring light, but I love that because it is super portable. You can take it with you anywhere if you need it, so definitely love that. I am obsessed with how pretty this is, and I've already tried it. It actually lights up a lot, so it's very, very bright. And moving on to the third and last day, this was all about, oh, this one's heavy. This one's very heavy. This was all about self-love. So again, no peeking, and it says day 3, more self-love. It says, wow, what a week we've had, but now we're going to slow things down and focus on you. Self-care and mental health are so important, so it's time to breathe, get zen, and get good vibes to finish out the week. Love, Pink. And this bag says care for you first. So the first thing in this bag, so day 3, is a yoga mat. It says Pink, and it has a little like holder thing, so you can put it on your bag and carry it like a purse or a backpack type of thing. And we actually did use this during day 3 because we had a dance training session with Cleopatra Lee. It was such a fun time, and honestly day 3 was amazing. Besides doing the dance training session, we heard from Courtney Knowles, who works with the Jet Foundation, and he put on an amazing show to talk about mental health and like self-care and self-love and stuff. I'm very inspired by The Greatest Showman, and it was so much fun. I'm gonna input some clips on the screen if I have them. So yeah, definitely loved day 3. We also got some leggings. I believe these are the 7th, 8th leggings. So these are not full length, but they also have pockets, which is amazing. Again, everything with pockets is just so much fun. And they say Pink in the back. Then to go with that, they send the ultimate lightly lined sports bra. So it's just a black sports bra. It says Pink along the band, and it has some mesh detailing on the back. Again, super comfortable, and all of the clothing I got in a size extra large. And kind of like to complement the outfit, I also got their Ultimate Knit Racerback Tank, and it is this white tank top with some silver letters that say pink. And I am pretty sure these are like reflective, like if you take a picture with flash they will like shine. This is so comfy. I actually threw on this whole outfit for day 3 when we did like a little yoga dance training session, and it was so much fun.
But thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside, but thinking about you all night. But thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside.
They also sent 2 pairs of, I believe these are called crew socks. So there are some black ones that say pink and white, as well as some, I don't know, like blue, aqua color, almost green, and they say pink in black. These are super comfy, and I definitely want to get more of these. We also got a metal water bottle from the Pink Active line. So it's just this silver water bottle that says pink in black. And I love this water bottle because it is one of those that keeps cool stuff really cold and hot stuff really warm. I can't remember the name right now of that specific type of water bottle. If you can remember it, please put it down in the comments because I can't. But it is one of those. So I love that, especially because I love taking water bottles with me to school. And in the Florida heat, it is important to have one that will keep your water cold because it gets hot out there. We also had a vision board making session with somebody from the Pink beauty marketing team. So they sent us this super cute vision board kit. It's called the In Your Dream vision board kit, and I actually did make a vision board. I am going to put a picture on the screen so you guys can see it. I actually won a prize during this day, and I believe it was for my vision board, so I will show you guys that too. They also sent us some Oli vitamin gummies, and these are the Hello Happy gummy worms for an upbeat mood. So this one have vitamin D and saffron, and they are tropical sing flavored. So they have, I believe, oranges and pineapple, and I love Oli gummies. I love their vitamins. They are the best, so I'm excited to try these ones out. And then last but not least, we got a mini set of some Pink beauty items. So they sent us the cocoa lotion, coconut oil hydrating body lotion, and the warm and cozy body mist. So this is a soft vanilla toasted coconut passion fruit scent, and it smells so good. I swear, if you're looking to get a nice body mist and you don't know which scent to get, just get this one because it is amazing. Here is the warm and cozy body mist and the cocoa lotion. I love the fact that there are mini sizes. I can definitely just like throw this in my purse or throw this in my backpack when classes start back up, because it is always good to have some body lotion or like hand cream on your backpack, on your purse. So definitely gonna be taking this with me. And then, as I told you guys before, I did win a prize during the daily challenges that we had. So there were daily challenges for each day, so day 1, day 2, and day 3, and I actually won a prize during day 3. I won a Stony Clover Lane duffel, and it is like personalized and it is so cute. So I'm gonna show you guys that right now. So before I show you guys the prize, I just want to say once again, huge thanks to Pinks for all of these amazing goodies. I still cannot believe that I get to work with such an amazing and empowering brand. I am so happy that I was chosen to be part of the program, and I can't wait to put on amazing events along my co-rep. So this is what my prize came in, this super cute holographic bag, and I'm definitely gonna keep it in here because I don't want it getting damaged. So this is what the duffel looks like. I think it is in the flamingo pink color, and it says pink wrap, so they got it customized for us. It is so pretty, and it fits so much stuff, and it comes with a matching pink strap so you can wear it like across your body. And I am so excited. I could not believe it when they posted me in the recognition section saying I had won for a challenge during day 3. So I am so excited and just so thankful again that I get to work with an amazing brand, and definitely stay tuned if you guys want to see more pink content, and follow me on my social media if you want to see what me and my rep do. I'm gonna put it on the screen, as well as my school's pink Instagram, which is at South Florida Pink, and I will also link everything down below so it is easier for y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below, and turn on the notification bell so YouTube tells you every time I upload a new video. Bye!